So here we go. This coffee machine, I bought it as new, and it's come, so when I open the box, it's come with this sign. These signs is indicate of it's being used. This is like a coffee, this is like a milk or something. And when you open this, here you go. Stains. Contact the seller. The seller advised me to get a replacement. I got a replacement after a couple days, and then I'm curious what's gonna happen. Then I found the same thing. You got the stain here. This is another indicator of this machine is being used. See if you can see this. Here you go. See, also this stain. Also the first one when came in, I didn't mention that is not belong to this machine. This is a different color. Next one when it's come in, that's the right one. But also, again, this is machine is being used, and yeah, I'm trying to get the people aware of this kind of seller. He's not doing a good job anyway. I contacted him a couple times, and yeah, that's the product, and up to you. It's your responsibility now. If you want to buy this machine, if you get lucky, you get the new one, but if not, then you get the new used one. And be careful about this. That's only a thing.
Trying to leave video. Machine will not work. Will not make a cup of coffee. Followed the directions. That still turns white instead of blue. Purged all the water out for the steam. As you can see, all the water's gone. I'll leave it for another few seconds to see if there's mixture, but I've done this, like I said, 4 times already, and have not made a 93-year-old mother 1 cup of coffee. Utterly ridiculous. Go off of there. And let's see if it does it now after 4 or 5 minutes. No, it keeps turning like that. I turn it off. I turn it back on, and still does not work. No, still does not work. I followed step-by-step instructions. You can see there's water. This is full. This is like so hard to take on it, off. It's getting looser as time goes by, but it's still not. If I could give this less stars, I would.
La parte de atrás vas aplastando el café.
Las dos, pon las dos. Una ahí y coge otra con ella.
Esas son muy grandes, nene.
No, también.
¿También?
Sí.
¡Dale! El choco suele más.
Siempre hay mucho por
how I turned my countertop coffee bar from this to this, all using products I ordered from Amazon. To keep my tea bags organized, I ordered this plastic 3-drawer container. It holds about 25 tea bags in each little drawer. It's slim and can fit in any corner or small space. I absolutely love this milk frother and steamer. It has 4 settings so you can heat your milk, steam, make beautiful foam art, or if you prefer, cold foam too. This espresso maker has a milk frother and steamer. You can make espresso coffee or cappuccinos or lattes. I love these glass coffee syrup dispensers. They look so classy. The buttons are easy and smooth to push, and they come with these pre-made labels or some that are blank if you want to make your own. This 2-tier shelf is exactly what I was looking for to keep everything off the counter and well organized. So now let's use it all to make some delicious coffee. And there you have it. Cheers.
bien. Faites donc comme moi.
You know what that is?